Hey guys, you usually, if you have a dryer and this thing's not powering on, one thing I always recommend people do is check the plug in the back. Make sure you got good power at the wall. This is one of those where it ended up being just a power issue at the wall, and yeah, it's somewhat different to find. This one here was just a loose connection. I got lucky with it actually. I didn't realize um, I was about to take this dryer apart. And I don't usually follow my own advice, but to save you guys, some time from taking this thing apart, it is a good idea to make sure you got good power there. I'm here trying to check the switch, see what that feels like, and run this thing. And I get back there and playing with that um, plug back there, and I can hear that timer clicking. I'll mess with the wire, and I'll hear it clicking. So I'm like, okay, there's something up with the plug back here, and I'll get it to start here in a second. There it is. We got a working dryer here, just because there's a loose connection inside of the plug that you plug the dryer into, and I find that pretty frequently, to be honest with you. Um, I know I used to work for a company that sold brand new dryers, and we'd always go out there because they replaced their dryer because their dryer died, and they'll plug in the new one and it still doesn't work. So it really wasn't a problem with their dryer, it was a problem with their electrical outlet. But you pretty much want to make sure you got 240 back there. And sometimes, if there's a loose connection or something like that, you'll see some black marks on the prongs going into the wall. And usually those outlets are on the outside wall too, so you can actually take them apart, look on the inside, and see what's up with them. But if you don't know anything about doing that type of work, I would recommend calling an electrician to come out and get that thing figured out for you. But yeah, this was just a quick video for you guys that run into dryers where there's actually nothing wrong with the dryer and it's just a power issue. And a lot of times you don't think about it, but that that can be a problem on occasion. And checking power can save you some time, so you don't have to take apart the dryer, testing everything. So one of the worst things is taking this thing apart, testing everything, finding out it's good, and you didn't have to do all that work when all you needed to do was figure out a power problem. Anyways, that's it. Hope this helps folks out there. And if it does, give me a like, subscribe, and I do appreciate y'all watching.